Hi everyone. When life gives you lemons, what do you make? That's right, lemonade. So I have just a few lemons left over from the tree that I harvested this year before the freeze. So they're getting a little soft, so I'm going to go ahead and make some lemonade. And then I will probably dry out the rinds in my dehydrator. But first, let's get to making lemonade. All right, as you can see, I've already taken, here are my lemons. I've already halved them. And so what I'm looking for is about a cup and a half of lemon juice. So I've got my little handy dandy hand one. So I'm gonna put that in here. I'm kind of afraid, yeah, these lemons are too big for this. Hold on just a second and I'll be right back with something better. Okay, well, that didn't work out. I thought I had a electric juicer, but I don't. So what I'm gonna do is just start squeezing in here. Try and get this down a little bit. See if I can show you guys here. I thought I got most of the seeds out, but I guess I didn't. So I'll get those out. So my electric mixer has got to be packed away, maybe in the greenhouse or something. I've got a lot of, I'm using that mostly as storage. So now that I'm going to fit this in here like that, concave it, and finish juicing it. See how that does that? Okay, so what about improvising? This lemon smells so good, and I'm going to do a taste test later with another one that I have, and I've got a store-bought lemon, and I stopped in St. Mary's, Georgia on my way back home this last time, and that tree also had lemons on it. So I think I'm going to take the 3 of them and do a taste test. Ooh, lots of seeds in that one that I didn't get out. And so I do want to save these seeds. Looks like I'll probably be moving in the next few months. So I do want to try to start trees off of the lemon tree. I'm going to do some air layering if I can get on out there to do that, so I can just cut off a branch and take it, pot it up and take it with me. And then I'm going to start these seeds. Now I do have another lemon tree that I planted. It's a Mayer lemon tree, so it only gave off so many, not as big as lemons as this, but it's at the front of the property. So this 2 lemon trees that I took these off of are in the back. So I don't think there's any cross-pollination between the two. There's probably about 2 football fields at least difference, if not more. So I'm looking for a cup and a half of juice. So it looks like I'm going to need another lemon. And let me cut one of those. This off. seeds out. These get embedded in that little juicer, so then it takes up room, and then the juicer won't finish juicing it all out if there's a lot of seeds in there. Proactive. And if you go over, this one's a mild, so if I go over about a cup and a half, these lemons are really nice, tasty, not sour at all. So if I go over, it's okay for the recipe. See there, that brings it up to a cup and a half. The rest of this lemon, I'm just going to slice up. And I'm going to, dull knife. Try hitting the seeds too. Okay. So have you, if you have a different way of doing this, just let me know in the comments section down below. I'm always interested in learning about how other people do things. And here we go. So I have my glass jar here, and then I'm going to slowly pour in my juice. I'm going to strain off these seeds. So that's a cup and a half of juice. Alright, and what I'm going to sweeten this with is Stevia. Now if you're going to do it with regular sugar, you want a cup of sugar. But I'm using Stevia, so I'm going to go with 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix that in real quick. And this sweetens it up pretty good. And Stevia's plant is actually a plant that I grow in my garden. However, I'm using store-bought Stevia right now, but I have dried the leaves and powdered it up. So let me just kind of work this in. It's a little clumpy there. And I use Stevia in my iced tea. Now I use a cup. If I'm doing a gallon iced tea, I use a cup of Stevia. That makes a really good sweet tea. Oops, in it. But so to this, I'm going to add 6 cups of water. And I have it already pre-filtered. Okay, hold on just a second, and here's the other 4 cups. Awesome. Most of the clumps are gone. Lemon rings. Get the seeds out over here. I appreciate y'all hanging in with me while I'm making this. Let me rinse off my hands so it gets nice. will do is actually get less cloudy as it sits here once the oxygen comes up out of there. So let me get me a glass. I should have had this already ready. Whoops, I left my refrigerator open. Okay, so as you can see, it's already starting to clear up, coming up here from the bottom, less cloudy. So, pour me a drink. All right, thanks for joining me today. It's really good. Very sweet, not bitter like normal store-bought lemons are. Yeah, so tastes very nice. Enjoy. You'll have a great day. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.